Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to add Happn application on your device. For that, first of all launch App Store on your device. Then, at the bottom right corner, you will see searching gear icon, tap on it. Now, from the top, search for Happn. Find the app labeled with Happn Dating App and tap on it. Tap on Download button or Get button. Now it will start to download your application. It may take some time depending on your internet connection speed. Once the application is installed, you will see Open button. Tap on that. And that was it. You have successfully added Happn application on your device. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.